Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about the Vanilla Visa gift card. And more specifically, we're going to go over information about activating and registering your Vanilla Visa gift card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with these gift cards, they're definitely one of the more popular gift cards on the market right now because you basically just buy these cards at a local retailer. I bought this one at CVS. No, actually, I bought this one at 7-Eleven. So you buy these cards at a local retailer. Once you buy it, then you can load cash onto it. Green cash. So the minimum on this one is $25. Once you load money there at the register onto the card, then you can usually use it at most places that accept debit Visa, which is most places these days. And then once you buy the card, they actually come activated immediately. So as far as activating it to use it at the register, you don't need to do anything. You don't have to call, you don't have to go on their website, nothing like that. And here is the terms and services. So as you can see here, when you open it up, this line right here says activate the card. The gift card is active right when you receive it. You can use it immediately once you've purchased it. So if you're buying this for somebody, you don't have to activate it for them. They don't have to activate it. They can use it right out of the box. But the one thing you do need to do, if you're going to use it for a gas station, or if you are going to use this card on the internet, so like on eBay or Amazon or something like that, then you do need to register a zip code with the card. And how do you do that? Well, they make it pretty easy. Basically, they have an automated system. So whoever you give this card to, they will want to flip the card over. Here on the back of the card, then they will want to call this number right here, 800-571-1376, or whatever number is on the back of their card, because phone numbers change from time to time, so make sure that they look at the number that's on the back of the card. Once they call in, then they're going to get to an automated system. The automated system actually isn't that bad. When I was activating this one, you had to wait for a moment and then you dial step number 5. After step number 5, then when it was step number 2, and then after that, it was step number 2 again. So 522, but that could change at any time. But once you get there, then you're going to want to register a zip code. Now, they didn't verify an address or verify anything. They just asked me to choose a zip code. So obviously I just went ahead and used my home zip code just because it's easier for me to remember. But even if you just put in some random zip code, I'm pretty sure it's going to work because this is a gift card. It is not a reloadable card. So the $25 that I put on there is the last amount of money that I can put on this card. I cannot reload money later, and therefore I don't think they care. Usually when I'm activating my prepaid debit cards that are reloadable, they ask for a lot of information. This vanilla gift card, you do not need that. You just need to simply enter a zip code. It waits a moment and then it says, okay, it's activated to use at gas stations and on the internet. So that is one caveat to having to activate the card. Another thing I want to mention is you don't necessarily need to activate or register this card. Even calling in to register a zip code onto the vanilla gift card is not required. But if you're going to be using the card at a gas station or on the internet, you're going to run into an issue because they always ask for a zip code that's attached to the card. And if you don't know that zip code or you haven't registered one, the transaction is just not going to go through. So I might suggest if you end up buying one of these vanilla Visa gift cards to go ahead and just take the time out. It took maybe 3 or 4 minutes to go through the automated system and register a zip code with it. And that way, if you decide to use it at the gas station, or if you decide to use the card online, that it's not going to be any kind of issue. It's not going to get declined or something like that. It's just better to just go ahead and take care of it. So that's it. That's how you activate your vanilla Visa gift card via the telephone. If you know an easier way to register a zip code onto the vanilla Visa gift card, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how. But as far as I know, that is the easiest way to register a zip code on your vanilla Visa gift card. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching.